The park is not closed though, right? Oh, okay. You say I can't park here because it's a boat, but is the park closed? Okay. Okay, I'm leaving. Hey, why you say don't let my dog get out? Are you threatening my dog? Say that again. That's fucked up. That's fucked up. What's your name? What's your name? What's your badge number? Thank you. I appreciate you. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I just said I was leaving. I'm waiting for you to shut up so I can leave. Y'all have a good one. Thank you. I don't like her attitude. That's fucked up. You shouldn't threaten an animal. He's not doing nothing. He's only defending me because he's protecting me. He's protecting me. He's a dog. That's his job. He wouldn't do that. He's trying to protect me. That's fucked up. You're fucked up. Yeah, all right. I'm going to make sure I go make a complaint on your ass. All right. Thank you. You have a good one. She trying to shoot my dog. That's fucked up. Ain't that fucked up? She trying to shoot my dog. That's fucked up. She trying to shoot my dog.